Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add effects on the icon on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After open the Word, just open up any document. At first select your icon and then click on graphics format tab. Now here under the graphics style option you can find graphics effects, which is your icon effects. So just click on this arrow icon. That's it. Now here you can see so many effects option: shadow, reflection, glow, soft edge, bevel, and 3D rotation. You can choose any effect as you like. Suppose if I select shadow, and here you can see so many shadow category: outer, inner, perspective. Suppose if I select outer shadow, just select it and that's it. You can see the shadow has been added successfully. Also, if you want to add another effects, just select it again and then click on graphics format tab and click on effects option. Now if I select reflection, just select any option and that's it. And that is how you can add icon effects on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.